In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide apps on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if you wanna just hide any app from your home screen, all you have to do is just long press at the app icon, hit at Remove App, and then select Remove from Home Screen. This does not delete the app itself, this will just hide it from the home screen. However, we can still find this app using search. Just swipe down and then enter app's name to be able to easily find it. And also we can find this app at our app library. Here we can also use search to search for that app. And also, guys, if you have several home screens, you can hide one or several of them. To do that, just long press down below here at these buttons to activate that mode. And here, as you can see, both of my home screens are selected now, so they are active and displayed. I can switch between them in regular mode. However, by turning them off, we can easily hide the entire home screen. Then hit at done, and as you can see, now I have just one particular home screen. If you want to unhide a home screen, long press somewhere here at the bottom of the screen. This will show you that indicator here. We can tap again, and that's where we can get everything back. And in the same way, we can get back any app by using search or our app library. We can search for this app, and then we can just drag this app icon on our home screen. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.